We're gonna play Would You Rather and Roblox, and thank you so much sa nag-comment and shout out to you this and shout out to you. And her profile is, please subscribe niyo siya. Ayan o, galing mo. Siya yung nag-comment. Tanungin nyo, paano mo yung nagawa? Hindi 22. River na kami sa lalim. Okay guys, ito na laro ko na. Would you rather tower? Guys, would you rather fashion tower? Okay. Look. Ba't ganito yung avatar ko guys? No. Okay lang ito guys. Ito lang tayo guys. Kulit. Bunny ears. Nanonood ka ko, buti nga. Kasi gusto ko yung super happy face. Diyos ko kain like gusto ko ng grisette. Yun. I know but I wish to live my head to you. Oh, nakita ko nga pala yung Would You Rather Tower by Angelas, and super happy face ang pipiliin ko dahil ano pa ba yung pipiliin ko? Like, bro, kalbo pala ako guys, kunwari. Sama-sama, sobrang sarap, sorry lang siya, 105.8, sabi niya. Hanggang dulo. You need to that's why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Out in the street, tacos. All you can eat. Let us see how. It's like a dream. Ang ganda mo. Maganda ako magpili ng avatar pero mapangit ako mag-vlog. Bilis. Ito, gusto ko. Ba't may second hair pa?
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Out in the street, tacos. All you can eat, lettuce and shells.
Oh my god, it suits me, guys. Since gusto ko ng animation pack, hindi ako makakabili ng animation pack.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Out in the street.
Ano yun? Ito pala. Wow! Pa! Alam ko na yung yung today, guys. Basta mag-face cam ako. Yan. Ito yung, baliktad. Pillows. Yun yung winner. So today, guys, let's go. Ay! Ikaw black choker. Basta gusto ko to. Pinakain pa nga ako ng noodles. Random pants. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos. Fashion judge. Oh my god.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
Yeah. I'm to fashion jail. Gagawin ko dyan. Sachita, Sachata, Sachita. Tsaka, i-made natin pangat. Let's go. Let's go. Skin tone ko te ang kante. Tingnan natin yung reason kung paano makapunta doon sa ano. Gusto ko yung pangit.
Tumawag na ng ganyan.
Mapangit to sa tingin ko, guys. No. In a dress, kiss me.
Naka-display?
Ano yung yung ba? Ginagamit ko ito. Ba? Ang ganda. Sa tingin niya maganda to sa mga sa random. No, hinulog pa ako nitong tower na to. Matatora, 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 matatora. Diba parang nagme-made ako ng batang outfit. Pa, may dala akong pillows dito eh. Pero di naman ako kumakain. Paano ko makakalis? Ito pala yung reason kung bakit. Ay, ang ganda pala dito. Ganda pala dito. Ganda pala dito.